think one thing that you have to know about Singapore is you have to be very punctual.
Thank you, sir. God bless you. That's a very grand welcome with the rolly roads. चलो जी अंदर चले. Room not available. हम देख रहे हैं और क्या करें अब. Room तो है नहीं. So this is their lap and quiet pool.
I want to understand one thing.
Yeah.
The lap and quiet.
इसमें क्या ही lap होगा?
lap is दूसरी बात 0.8 मीटर से डेप्थ भी तो नहीं है.
पता नहीं क्या है. But looks stunning. ये भी एक है jacuzzi pool.
1.2 मीटर.
So then we can come relax here only. या गर्मी है?
देख, I think we can do one thing is 8 बजे में कितना टाइम है?
आधा घंटा. कहीं ब्रेकफास्ट करने चले?
हाँ देखते हैं कहीं नीचे जाते हैं ढूंढते हैं या पहले कॉफी यहाँ पी लेते हैं and then breakfast
8 बजे होगा ना ये. We're brainstorming right now what to do, but the views are nice. Not gonna lie, nice views from here. This view is stunning, man. I really like this view. So yeah, now we're just gonna rest it out here and then grab breakfast, start the day. So what we're thinking is after checking in, himmat to kisi mein hogi nahi. So then we'll just stay inside the property and relax. For now, we will go to gardens by the bay and stuff like that. Good girl.
always doing stuff.
गुड्डू सो जाओ थोड़ी देर आराम से ऐसे
मुझे नींद नहीं आई.
इतना मजा आ रहा है ना.
Ma Mary is very happy-go-lucky.
Dad मेरे is not very happy.
मुझे एक्चुअली पैर फैलाने के लिए जगह चाहिए थी ना.
हाँ.
मैं भी तो वहाँ पे लेट के सो रही थी.
मैं वहाँ भी कंफर्टेबल थी लेकिन मुझे पैर फैलाने के लिए थोड़ी जगह चाहिए. और
अब
यहाँ
पानी
मुझे
दे दो.
यहाँ तो
Jasmine, what are first impressions being here?
I'm good.
है ना? Me too. मुझे तो हर चीज़ में बड़े मजे आते हैं.
Dad is थोड़ा सा punished.
Club 21. Clothes look interesting. Man, no, this early check-in business is very tricky. Now we're going for breakfast. And this walkway is like connecting the hotel and something else. It's a beautiful day, man. Like so far it's giving me like Bangkok energy, like total Bangkok energy. Cleaner Bangkok. It's a pretty cool restaurant. Anji, what are your expectations from the food?
I have expectations from the coffee.
Yeah, coffee अच्छी लग रही है अभी. You can smell it.
I have expectations from the coffee. अच्छी का नहीं पता मैं. I have expectations because if it doesn't miss it.
It's a French place and it's the first French flat white. So it's a French place. It's the first flat white of this trip. They've served it with dark chocolate. ठीक लग रही है वैसे तो. अच्छी है यार. It's remarkable. Good. Okay, ChatGPT tells us chocolate with coffee is a thing in France. So, see, we've never been, so we cannot say much. When we go, we'll try. But it's yummy. Okay, this looks mad. इसमें थोड़ा cheese और truffle है. I hope you don't mind. Bro, food looks insane. Let's see how it is. कल फ्लाइट में हमें starter मिला smoked salmon. किसी ने नहीं खाया, but I really enjoyed it. I think वो vlog में भी है. So I can have टेढ़ा मेढ़ा खाना.
Remember when we were in that Yosemite wala thing that I tried smoked salmon वहाँ पे नहीं बस.
अच्छा, for food review. It's excellent if you have the palate for all of this because the omelette, the scrambled eggs has a lot of truffle in it. So mushroom oil जो भी truffle का taste होता है. So ठीक ठाक है. It's a lot of French taste. तो मैं फ्रांस तो नहीं जा रहा कभी भी. मुझे पास्ता अच्छा लगता है ना पिज़्ज़ा और ना ये सब.
pasta, pizza, Italy नहीं है.
ओ वो तो इटली है. फ्रेंच क्या होगा?
All these pastries and all of that.
मेरा ब्रेन
French
malfunction कर रहा
patisserie
है.
बहुत
It's tired. तो हम यूरोप बहुत स्ट्रगल करेंगे जब भी जाएंगे. But yeah.
You'll take vacuum pack stuff then.
हाँ dehydrated. वो खाना ये बहुत अच्छी थी. Coffee.
Coffee अच्छी.
Excellent. Pretty unique stores, man. Check this one out. So nice. Jasmine देखनी है घर के लिए crockery?
हाँ देख सकते हैं पापा.
है ना? They're pretty cool stores. Like look at this one. Mutiny. There's something I really like.
Cooler and more unique here.
Yeah.
This one, this collection is by Arcade Roots.
Okay.
Yeah, you can take the pieces
Yeah.
too. There's a good weight to it.
Yeah, that's when I like it. Deep plate, and this is shatterproof. Yeah, I like this. Pick up one or something. It's a nice serving bowl for a salad.
हाँ, it's a different.
Hi माँ, इधर आना. ये salad के लिए कैसा है?
Like a centerpiece on the table, you can put this for fruits,
Yeah,
things, or bread.
but I like the shape of this more. It's pretty unique.
I think it's good. This or this also. या मुझे ये इसका ओरिजिनल है. मुझे इसका वो बहुत फ्लायर वो लग रहा है. और मुझे पता नहीं क्यों. Do you like lighter plates or do you like heavier plates?
Heavier.
Heavier. I like heavier.
Okay, so this one, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. Thank you.
We'll take a few for you to see and compare because they're all a bit different and made in Vietnamese as well.
Okay, sure.
But if
Yeah.
you still prefer this, of course you can take this.
Okay. यहाँ से तो नहीं है.
Yeah, I guess है.
The Thai embassy is so beautiful. It's a total vibe. Right, now we're just gonna get the gardens out of the way, then check in and then we'll rest in the hotel because फिर निकला नहीं जाएगा. Then we'll just leave for the Gurdwara or something. So that's the plan. I was watching from the window, dude. There's like so many luxury cars here. I saw a Maybach, I saw a Bentley. The car scene is pretty great. No one honks. Lovely. On the road? Really?
Because living life of what is it?
Is that a common thing here?
Pretty common, the chickens on the road.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Chicken on the road.
Yeah.
Do they get killed?
Not much.
Not much. Not much. Chicken.
But why are they on the road like this chicken?
Are they wild?
Yeah, they are. Well, sometimes they are just by the side here.
Oh, interesting. Do people like grab them?
No, no, no.
That's illegal.
Like Canada, Canadian, their geese is called what? It's all over the streets and you have to wait for the geese to pass, I think.
This is a beautiful road. Man, the streets are so beautiful. Okay, we've come to the botanic garden. So I went to the visitor center and I asked the guy कि ticket कितने की है, and he's like, bro, यहाँ ticket नहीं लगती. There's a very tiny area which is ticketed, which is called the Orchid Garden. But pretty beautiful. Man, Singapore is stunning, but expensive, of course. Stunning. Oh, beautiful.
I still remember a tour guide from 10 years ago.
Oh, it's an otter, bro. That was an otter.
And what is in Bangkok? The lizards.
हाँ, monitor lizards.
Monitor lizards.
But stunning place. कैसा लगा ये जगह? Morning walk के लिए. So apparently these trees are real trees but ancient. Nothing is permanent in life, I guess. Right? Live in the present. The foliage is insane. It's not funny. It's pretty cool. Yeah, one thing to notice, there's not a lot of dust. It's pretty beautiful. And it's crazy to think that this is public infrastructure, free for all. Just walk through it, get your dogs here. That's something that's pretty incredible as well. Like it's pet friendly. And if there's an area where you should not take your pets, it's written like no pets beyond this point or something. But this is insane, man. Okay, so pomegranate is beautiful for heart ailments, lower blood pressure. Jasmine, you might want to see height related stuff.
There is no height related stuff.
मैं कौन सा ज़्यादा लंबा हूँ?
And I'm happy with my height.
और
Acceptance is what do you say, which stage?
ये क्या है? Japanese honeysuckle. Anti-inflammatory properties. Japanese honeysuckle. This is rosacea, digestive and respiratory problems. Loquat syrup is also used to soothe the throat. Native to Malaysia, fevers, kidney ailments, and dysentery. Young leaves are eaten as salad, bro. Okay, जी, smile, cuties. और कैसा लग रहा है पापा हॉलिडे पे आके?
बहुत बढ़िया। अभी तो हॉलीडे स्टार्ट कहाँ हुआ चलो अब वापस चलते हैं। माँ बैठिए।
ठीक है। Yes, mother mine.
मैं जल्दी देसी मुर्गा घूम रहा से वहाँ फाड़ना चलिए बनावांगे।
Okay, now we go back to the hotel. Community and sense of freedom is important. Dignified living.
हाँ, community is very important.
उसके बिना ये सब loneliness खा जाएगी। पर यहाँ community तो है Indians की।
Yeah, true.
Okay, finally the room is ready, man. Thank heavens. Now let us go check out the room, how it is. That is a stunning room. I like the vibes of the room. What do you think?
I like the room.
I like the room.
It's spacious, it's nice.
The room is nice and the view is good.
I have never been so happy getting a room in a hotel.
And the view is good. Okay, this is the restroom. Man, pretty decent. I really like the room. I'm very happy with the room, I would say. Yup. Bro, this hotel is so white that there's no jet.
What?
There's no jet. Okay, I opened this in WhatsApp. Okay. And what if I want something from room service? Okay, thank you. Thank you. Bye. The room is seriously impressive. This is our room. What a healthy size, man. Yeah. Loves it. Nice, stunning. बहुत थकान होगी. Now everyone's gonna nap. We finally got our rooms. But next time के लिए lesson है early check-in. For me it's fine. I can walk around, work out. With family it's a bit troublesome. They are really
With parents.
with parents, yeah. They are older also ना. But ठीक है. अब nap लेते हैं फिर देखते हैं क्या करना है. कोई टेंशन नहीं, कोई प्लान नहीं. बस रिलैक्स करेंगे. मिल्क पहले तो नहीं डालते हैं.
कोई नहीं।
हाय हाय, मुझे नहीं अच्छा लगता मिल्क पहले, तभी तो डार्क नहीं होती वो.
बस तो हमेशा पहले डाला है जिंदगी।
Okay, I'll tell you what is special about this room. Firstly, there's 2 umbrellas, which rooms don't usually do, right? So the 2 umbrellas, and then this bar setup is pretty neat. Excellent glass. Usually the glasses are trashy. This is a pretty good one. Coffee machine, that's normal these days, and a Bose speakers, a nice touch. Of course, everything's electronic. Almost all lighting is dimmable, so that's a cool touch as well. Slightly rainy. Now we'll head out. Okay, Ji, finally we are ready, and now let's head to Gurukar first. When we came 10 years ago, we did all touristy stuff, but we didn't go to the Gurdwara Sahib. So this time we do that because that's a total priority. And of course, the touristy stuff is just not interesting anymore, right? So we want to do stuff that is more aligned with our persona. The touristy stuff is not aligned. Getting to see every site is not aligned with our goals in life. We do that, and this is the view. It's drizzled a bit, but I really like it, right? I can understand that the city is very expensive. We spoke to the cab drivers. All this stunning architecture beauty loses its importance for you after a while, because if you're struggling with your daily expenses, as sab kuch changa nahi lagta. We love it because we're tourists, but staying here, you need to make good money, more than good money, to have a reasonable life, I would say. So yeah, with this thought, let's bounce. Okay, the cool thing is 7 p.m. it's still so bright outdoors. That's really something that I enjoy. Sun that doesn't want to set. Alright, we're here, Singh Sabha Gurdwara. Sit ढकले.
ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਹੈਗੇ ਸੀ 25000
पहले 25
ਜੈਸੇ ਹੁਣ ਕੁਝ ਮੂਵ ਕਰਕੇ ਕੈਨੇਡਾ ਚਲੇ ਗਏ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਚਲੇ ਗਏ ਸੰਡੇ ਸਵੇਰੇ ਦੀਵਾਨ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਜੀ 9 ਤੋਂ 11 ਤੇ ਸੰਗਤ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਪੈਰ ਰੱਖਣ ਦੀ ਥਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ
अच्छा और भी गुरुद्वारे हैं
ਸੰਤ ਨੇ
सत गुरुद्वारा है?
हाँ जी सब
सब तो पुराना गुरुद्वारा है।
ਇਹੀ ਹੈ ਜੀ
सत गुरुद्वारे ने अगर 15,000 भी पब्लिक है तो
ਹਾਂਜੀ ਬਹੁਤ ਸੰਗਤ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਸੰਡੇ ਨੂੰ ਤਾਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਕਿਹੜੇ ਕੰਮ ਕਰਦੇ ਨੇ ਨਾ ਬਾਹਰੋਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਇੰਡੀਆ ਤੋਂ ਆਏ ਕੁਝ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਵਰਕ ਵੀਜ਼ੇ ਵਾਲੇ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਕੋਈ ਵਰਕ ਲੇਡੀਜ਼ ਕੁਝ ਹੈਗੀਆਂ ਨੇ
Sunday ज़रूर जाएंगे लंगर खाने. Okay, that was beautiful darshan. A lot of people still having langar, and we were informed there are about 15,000 Sikhs in Singapore. 15,000. Langar was still going on, and about 30 people were eating. That's the beauty, man. That's
ये
the
वो है
beauty.
जो 15,000 जो यहीं रहते हैं,
Yeah, yeah.
बाकी जो आ रखे हैं काम करने वो लोग।
And we reached right before Sukhasan, so it was beautiful. Got Kada Prasad, which was yummers. Basically, this inculcates a divine remembrance at all times, that everything operates under His hukum. Now we go for dinner. Let's see what that is. So if you see behind me, it looks so vibey because this is so vibey. This is Trask Street and just amazing. Check out the energy, man. Like behind me. Now if you see behind me, Trask Street. We're dining at this place called Burma Social. There's a lot of Michelin stuff here. Almost every restaurant is boasting of Michelin stickers, right? And wonderful vibes. Definitely, you must come here. We're just having fun walking around Tilla.
I think one thing that you have to know about Singapore is you have to be very punctual.
Yeah.
We've already paid a late charge on being late for
Taxi.
on taxi by late by 1 minute, I think.
3 minutes.
3 minutes, okay.
But anyway, very vibey street. You must come here. Bro, the food was popping. How's the food?
Amazing.
Mummy ne momos khai. Food was popping. More Indian taste. So everyone enjoyed it. Ab Selavi? Now we go to Selavi. It's 57th floor. 56th.
Of Marina Bay.
Of
57.
7th of Marina Bay. Let's see how it is. Apparently it's supposed to be popping on Wednesday. So let's see how it is. Okay, that was a very sweet vehicle. We've come to 7-Eleven to pick up some stuff. Like maybe we get fruits, maybe we get a chocolate shake. I don't know, man. So stuff like that. And Mom and Jasmine are in the hotel. Kai? Yeah. Let's see what we get. जी mango है. ये. और कुछ? I just checked these protein shakes, Optimum, Lean Body, etc. They're freaking nasty. Nasty is the word. They're so bad. The ingredients is like 37 ingredients or something. We'll have to insert this, I think. Or should I tap it?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. Okay, thank you. God bless you. Okay, this walkway is basically connected from one end of the street to another. We've picked up some fruits. This is the buffet restaurant at the hotel where we're staying. Now we'll go chill with Jasmine. We also picked up some ice cream. I know it's bad, but you know what I mean. So let's go hang out with them. Refreshing to hai. How would you say your day one was? Yeah. Yeah.
My day one was good.
I also enjoyed day one.
Although I'm very tired and I've got to work, I'm looking forward to that next class.
Chalo ji. See you tomorrow. Hope you enjoyed it. Let me know your favorite part. God bless.